Listen, school is literally the most contradictory place on earth. They tell you it's about preparing you for the future, but somehow, in the future, I still haven't had to recite the Pythagorean theorem while buying groceries or solving for x just to order a cheeseburger. Yet when I actually need to know how to do my taxes or cook something other than noodles, silence. Not one worksheet. Not one PowerPoint. Nothing. And don't even get me started on the teachers. Some of them are amazing, but then there are the ones who act like giving you 3 essays, 4 projects, and a test all in the same week is a totally reasonable workload. Like, what's the logic? Oh, and then they complain when you look tired in class. Well, sorry, Mrs. Johnson. Maybe if I wasn't up until 2 a.m. writing a 5-page reflection on the symbolism of the color blue, I'd actually have energy. Let's talk about the cafeteria food. Why does it look like it was made during the Great Depression and just reheated every day since then? Pizza shouldn't crunch like a cracker. Mystery meat should not actually be a mystery. And don't even mention the milk. They give you either room temperature chocolate milk or a tiny white carton that expires before you can even finish drinking it. Then there's the rules. No hats in school. Why? Is the math teacher worried my cap is gonna solve the equations faster than me? No phones in class. Okay, but the teacher can stare at their phone mid-lesson like it's the cure for boredom. No chewing gum. Really? Out of all the world's problems, gum chewing is the one you care about? And let's not forget about group projects. Group projects are basically the Hunger Games of school. One person does 90% of the work, 2 people do moral support, and 1 person disappears into the void only to reappear at presentation day like, "Hey guys, what are we doing?" Oh, and homework, literally invented just to ruin weekends. Teachers be like, "It's only a small assignment." Yeah, until you realize every teacher gave you one, and suddenly you've got more homework than free time. Let's not pretend homework is about learning either. It's just unpaid overtime. Finally, the schedule. 8 hours of sitting in a chair, memorizing facts you'll forget in 2 weeks, with like 2 bathroom breaks max. And if you dare ask to go, the teacher acts like you're planning an escape route out of Alcatraz. But you know what the wildest part is? After all this, you get a participation certificate at the end, like you just ran a marathon instead of surviving a psychological experiment.